What's the meaning of axman? Axman. Axman.
Axman. Axman. Axman is a noun that refers to a person who wields an axe either for work or as a weapon. This word can be used in various contexts, such as in historical accounts of lumberjacks or in crime novels describing serial killers who use axes as their weapon of choice. The image of an axeman often connotes strength, ruggedness, and physical prowess. Additionally, the term axeman can also be used metaphorically to describe someone who ruthlessly eliminates obstacles or challenges in their path.